Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this is my Windows 11 operating system. This solution is also applicable for Windows 10. So you have to just follow my screen, don't miss any steps, and we will fix this issue together. So first of all, we have to go to the control panel. For that, go to search bar and type your control panel and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to go to the view by and select large icons, so you'll get the more options in details separately, and you have to click on sound. Once we are here, we need to right click on the speakers. Firstly, try to disable it and again enable it, then simply right click on it and select properties. On this window, you have to select the levels tab and make sure keep this up to the 100% and go to the enhancements tab and check this box, disable all enhancements. So select this one, click on apply and then OK. Now just restart the system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. Please check out the pinned comment, that will also help you to fix this issue quickly, and don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.